Guys, this is 2002 Toyota RAV4. So I'm going to show you in the quick video. So this car had a problem is the headlight is one side is very bright, other side is very low. You can see I off the headlight globe. You can see this one is very bright, this side, the left hand side, and you can see the right hand side is very low, it's very dull, the bulb. So I found the problem with this the fuse box. You can see the two 10 amps headlights left hand side and headlight lamp right hand side, two fuses. So put this away. Okay, you can see the two the fuse in here. You can locate it in here. So the someone putting the wrong position. This fuse should be in here, because this one is a blank fuse in here. This one someone put it in here, so we need to off that fuse. I'm getting out that fuse. So you can see when you put back the fuse, so light getting brighter. You can see in here fuse getting press. It's light getting brighter. So okay, so this one, and other one is bright now. So that was the wrong fuse location. Now you can see the lights is very bright. So before you something doing, check the fuse. Maybe someone put the relocated or somewhere and put it. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.